And the first thing I'm going to look at here is how we set up our table selection. And we're going to do that using the filters inside Ultimate Bet, as this gives us enough control that anyone needs over table selection. The fact is that tables change fast. The table that has 40% players at the flop now may have 20 in 10 minutes time, so it offers us all the custom ability we need. So now I'm just going to say that we're going to select tables which are over 26%, and it's NL2, and we just want to play tables with 8 or more players. This is how you'll need to set it up. And I'll just close that now. Now there's one other important thing that I want to point out now, and that is this sorting by how many players are on the waitlist. You're going to, and I stress this quite important, remember to have to put this arrow here facing up, and this way it means that we're going to be joining tables which have less players waiting, and this will greatly speed up the amount of time it takes us to join a table, as if we have it set this way, we're going to have the tables with most players waiting at the top. And how the hopper functions is it's joining tables from top to bottom. So it's going to mean that if we join a table, the table we've joined will be placed down here, and it means that we won't be cycling through that every time. Okay, so we're going to start the hopper. I'm just going to load up Task Manager so you can see how it's pretty easy on memory. Although I do have this video capture on at the moment, so it's making it go a little bit crazy. But anyway, let's start the hopper here. So first of all, it's just going to check the license, and then we're going to get a quick pop-up just to remind us have we loaded the Shanky handler, have we set up the filters so the tables we want are visible, and of course have we set so that the tables with less players waiting are at the top. So we've just done all that. I'll click OK, and then it should start looking for some tables. So you'll see the hopper load up down here, and the first thing you'll probably notice is that the Ultimate Bet window has disappeared off the screen. Now this is perfectly normal and it's by design. The fact is that the hopper doesn't actually need the mouse or to steal the focus to connect to the table. It's there and I'm moving the mouse unaffected. Same thing happens, it doesn't need to see a table that's sitting out to close it, so you could have one table which is sitting out under 3 tables which are playing, and it will be able to close those without bringing it into and bringing it on top of the other tables, which can possibly, I guess, cause you more misclicks. So while I was talking there, you can see it actually found a table on the waiting list. It joined the table, opened up the bot, and is now sitting down. There you can see the waitlist come up briefly. Now we set it so that it won't join another table for 60 seconds. As I was saying, this is to allow the Shanky bot some time to stabilize. So in that case, I decided to wait for the next table. Another error checking we have is that if a table does happen to open up and a bot doesn't connect, it will close this table after I think 18 seconds. So you won't have some tables with no bots connected sitting on screen. So there you go, see it's very quickly connected us to another table, and we bought in and we've sat down now. The next thing I'm just going to do now is manually sit out the table, so you can see that it will notice that the table is sitting out and automatically close this table for us. Okay, so this table is now in. I'm just going to click sit out. Now the hopper will recognize once the table sits out and then close it for us automatically. Okay, so what happened there was we actually closed the table and it's opened up another one there that came onto the waiting list at the same time. I'll now just sit out here. And you can see it's closed the table. So that concludes our demo of Bulletproof Cache Hopper. As I said earlier, if you wish to download, you can get it from www.bulletproofhoppers.com.